Have you ever wondered why two businesses can sell the exact same product at almost the same price, yet one business keeps growing while the other struggles? The difference is rarely the product, it's trust. Let's have a coffee conversation. Welcome to Victor Digital. Every business wants more sales, but before people buy, they decide whether they trust you. Trust isn't built overnight. It grows through consistency, honesty, and every interaction customers have with your business. Today, let's talk about one of the most valuable assets any entrepreneur can build: customer trust. Customers don't always choose the cheapest option. They choose the one that feels safest. They ask themselves, can I trust this business? Your website, your social media, your communication, your reviews? Every detail answers that question. Before people invest their money, they invest their confidence, and confidence is earned. Anyone can provide good service once. Successful businesses provide it every time. Consistency creates reliability. Reliability creates trust. Trust creates loyal customers. The businesses people recommend aren't perfect. They are simply dependable. Customers want to know that the experience tomorrow will be just as good as it was today. Trust works like compound interest. One honest interaction becomes another. One fulfilled promise leads to another. Over time, customers stop wondering whether they should buy. They already know because trust removes uncertainty. And businesses that remove uncertainty rarely compete on price alone. If today's coffee conversation gave you a new perspective, consider subscribing to Victor Digital. Every episode is designed to help entrepreneurs build businesses with clarity, integrity, and long-term success. Until our next coffee conversation, keep building trust because trust is the one investment that continues to grow.